Guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am gonna do a very interesting video, and it's like one of my recent discoveries, I would say. I am doing makeup since like quite a long time, and it's like a task to clean makeup brushes. Honestly, it's like, oh my god, I have to do it. It's like it is a feeling where you feel like, okay, I have to do laundry. Like laundry is more easy than cleaning makeup brushes, I would say. So today I have like very easy and interesting hack, and you all are gonna thank me after you do this. So without any chit chat, let's just start the video. So before we get into the video, if you like this makeup look, I have uploaded a tutorial on Instagram. I'm gonna pop the picture here so you can see and follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. Now, for cleaning your makeup brushes, you would need a paper towel. I have taken like a kitchen paper towel because these ones are very thick. I actually had one, I just cut it into two pieces because I'm Indian. So yeah, this one is like quite thick, so this one would be easy. And the second thing you would need is a makeup remover. Now I have the L'Oreal one. Now all I'm gonna do is take makeup remover. I'm just gonna fold this into two, and then I'm going to take the makeup remover, very little quantity because little goes a long way. And then I'm going to take my dirty makeup brush. As you can see, there is like a pink eyeshadow on this one. I was using it for a tutorial. So now I'm just going to rub this like this, and then I would just clean the brush in clean area. By just rubbing it few times, your brush would be clean. Now this is like clean. Now it is already clean. So yeah, this was so easy. Now I'm gonna show you like the time lapse of how I do all the brushes, and you will see like base brushes, like big fluffy brushes and small brushes and all of that. So I'm gonna add a clip right after this. Now these are all the clean brushes, so I would just keep them like this and spritz alcohol on it so it's clean and sanitized. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I hope this trick was helpful. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and now I am also on TikTok. So yes, follow me there as well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.